okay?
Ja.
Yeah. Cool.
You're listening to Femme.
You throwing smiles in my face. Romantic talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to fuck with me tonight. Looking at the table, all I see is bleeding white.